I'm Dr. Manish Samson, Senior Joint Replacement Surgeon working at Apollo Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. I'm happy to introduce to you today that Apollo Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore has introduced a new technology in the field of joint replacement surgery called as IntelliJoint. Now, IntelliJoint is an AI or artificial intelligence based device. The advantage of the IntelliJoint technology in the field of joint replacement is it is a very compact and a live feedback providing device to the surgeon during the surgery, and all this is achieved without a CT scan. Mainly, it's a real-time surgical guidance for the surgeon wherein he can precisely do the necessary bone cuts while doing a joint replacement surgery to get a more precise and accurate placement of the components, which indirectly is going to give a near natural functioning of the joint after the joint replacement surgery.